또 뭐해? Oh gosh, she's full of herself now. Checking herself in the mirror. This is how I look. So Twilight closed the door on me. She somehow closed the door all by herself. Oh my god, this is so sad. Okay, look, mommy's coming. Oh my god, this reminds me of when Luna was banging on the door because she wanted to come out, and now it's Mupu. Oh, Twilight. Don't close the door on me again. 어디가? Where are you going? Where are you going, Twilight? Do you want to go down? But you don't know how to go downstairs yet. Walk away, walk away. Just came here to say Daddy. Just want to say Daddy was here. Where's Daddy? Oh my god, look how messy our room is. Pretty. Really? I thought you hate going downstairs, Twilight. At times you should avoid that. She's curious though. She's like, it doesn't look that bad. Oh god, not the magnet, not the magnet. Not the magnet, Mupa. Get away from the magnet. No, not your diaper. No, Twilight. What do you see? Twilight, do you want to eat your solid food? She's like Luna exploring. Get her solid food. Look at her walking like a gorilla. Twilight, what's this? What? Food! Food for Twilight! Mupa, look! Mmm! Hello everyone, this is Van Vivid. Good afternoon. I'm not feeling well. I'm like really dizzy at the moment. I'm not sure why I'm so dizzy. I slept well. I mean, I don't know what's going on. Oh, getting the shivers. And I'm using my LG V10 again. Oh, today I dreamed that one of the YouTube staff messaged me and saying they want to have a war with me. So they sent me like an ant farm that had like millions of ants, and it was like scattered in my laptop area, and I had to kill it with the spray. And it was a terrible dream. Tap 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 tap. Tap tap tap. Tap 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 tap. Mommy don't like this. Thank you. Twilight, finish this, please. Finish this. Twilight, Mama. A little bit more, a little bit more. Twilight. Twilight? She's like, how does this thing work? Mom, help me. Twilight, no more watching cartoon. Dang! She wants it. This angle makes your booty look so big. Yeah, who turned that on? I didn't turn that on. Twilight finally took her first nap. Oh my god, it's like 3:51 p.m. Hopefully she'll sleep 2 hours. Because I feel like she won't take her second nap, so hopefully she'll take 2 hours of nap. 다 먹었어, 목포? Did you finish it? Are you gonna finish your milk? I love how she's holding it. You finished? You're done? Okay. You have a little bit left, but that's fine. Let's get up. Slept well. Drank milk well. Washed the bottles. Sugoi! Twilight, you okay? Shouldn't introduce her to this, because who knows, this might have BPA. She's so freaking attached to this, she cannot let it go. If only I didn't introduce her to this. How old was it? 3 months? Whoa, quite a long time actually. Crazy. You having fun, Twilight? You sure love that microphone. Eat it like a corn. Corn in the cup. Twilight, do you think Daddy will remember to buy the caramel brulee? Caramel brulee? Mom is curious. From Starbucks. Do you think Daddy will remember? Oh, you got your blueberry jam? Are you gonna eat it? She was having fun playing that. I was editing my vlog with the LG V10 and I realized when I do when it looks at me it's like 720. How do I change that? Maybe I can find a way to change that. And so I had to enlarge it. It makes it more pixelated. I hate that. Anyways, what is she doing? Is she going somewhere? Look at her. She's going somewhere. 목포 어디가? 어디가? I don't know if you guys saw that, but she's going somewhere. Again. I think she wants to go. I should be next to her. But what was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. But while I'm trying to remember that, Susan Sarandon was like, I'm not gonna vote with my vagina. I love everything she said. And I like that the guy was like, you're a huge fan of Bernie Sanders and Hillary Clinton. He said vote for Clinton. What do you say about that? And she was saying like, he said, what did she say? Something, vote for your heart. That's what Bernie Sanders says, so, yeah. Oh, don't listen to me, vote for your heart. That's what he said, so that was something inspiring. And dang, Twilight, she's a fast girl. You're so fast. I forgot what I was gonna say. Look, I'm a ghost. Very dark here. Look, where the hell are you going, girl? Oh, she doesn't cry anymore going upstairs. Before, I think she wanted to go to the mirror. Right? Mirror? No? Dark room? What? Okay. That'd be so cool if she wanted to sleep and she just go in her room and just take a nap. Just lie down to sleep. That'd be so cool, right? I hate that I have to look at me, it looks like I'm looking this way, but I'm meant to look at this way to the camera lens. She's like, so Mom, are you gonna give me some? She knows I have a snack in my hand. Do you want food? Yeah? I got. Stop deep grinding! I hate that sound, Twilight. Stop doing that! I read it's normal, but still I hate that sound. It's like fork grinding up on the plate. Ugh. So I remember what I was gonna say. Twilight pooped a little green thing, and it was the watermelon pen pouch. My boyfriend told me, he warned me that I shouldn't let her play with that because she's been chewing up on it. I was like, I don't think that's right. I think it's just been like that. And I was wrong. She's been biting them and swallowing them, you guys. I saw it when I was wiping her poop. Oh my god, I was so shocked. Should have listened to my boyfriend. I'm never gonna let her play that anymore. I'm sorry. Just have to get her a real watermelon toy because it seems like she likes watermelon. I am using Sony NEX-3N to end my vlog. It is 1:48 a.m. in the morning and my ear is itching. Ugh. Anyways, I couldn't end my vlog earlier because I was doing a lot of things on the computer. Nothing important, just Facebook and BuzzFeed. Yeah, that's pretty much what I was doing. Anyways, yeah, so I was shocked that today's Saturday. I didn't think today was Saturday. I did read someone's Facebook post saying that, oh, it's the weekend, and I'm like, what? Because, you know, I don't really track the schedule because my life is just baby. And so I just go by the time and not the date. So I just, yeah, crazy. Anyways, thank you for watching my vlog, you guys. I'm gonna use my Sony camera on that one. Oh my god, so blurry. No, oh wait. Those are the notes. I looked it up and crazy, you guys. My mom made this too. Oh, you can't even cook anything!
It's not.
Unfortunately, he passed away, so it's a little bit, it's very awkward to be doing it. So like, oh, some magic.
Oh, wait, exit the driveway behind you.
Oh, it's so dark.
So
This is $15.97. Boyfriend is playing League of Legends with Fiona and Eugene. Plus, there's gonna be shooting every fucking day in South Seattle.